The CALLIERT Winch 13,000-pound kit is designed to handle the toughest off-road situations with its powerful 13,000-pound load capacity and 6.4 horsepower motor. Built with an IP66 waterproof rating and a weather-sealed control box, this winch is capable of withstanding harsh weather conditions and resisting corrosion over time. The synthetic rope, measuring 3/8 inches by 85.3 feet, offers superior strength and durability, while being lighter and more flexible than traditional steel cables. A 3-stage planetary system allows for efficient line speeds, achieving 4 feet per minute under full load and 21.3 feet per minute with no load. The advanced wireless remote control provides high-precision operation and expands the control range to 82 feet, making it convenient to use in various terrains and weather conditions. Installation requires a mounting bracket not included in the kit, and careful reading of the instructions is recommended to ensure safe and effective use of the winch.